our first time making smash burgers on the grill. Let's see how it turns out.
So to form the smash burgers, simply roll them into a little ball and place them on some type of wax paper and get them ready.
We already made the buns, so those are already made. They look a little darker than they are. It's only because there's butter on them right now. But now everything's been cooking here really nicely. Remember, it's only a couple minutes per side, so it doesn't take very long to actually do this. So let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. You guys ready? Oh, look at this. These are smash burgers. Check them out. Come on in here. Look at it. All right. Let's take some of these off. More now. We'll layer it like this. The thinner aspect of the burger that makes it so tasty. It's not that we want a really thick burger. We actually just want like a thinner burger so we can actually get all that nice crispiness out of it. And there you have it. There's a smash burger. Let's see how it tastes.